should Amakhosi move in to sign uMabasa. So the player was a part of Stellenbosch FC for the last 6 months after being loaned out by Orlando Pirates. So izoloku kuvelile-ke laphayana Stellenbosch siveza-ke ukuthi-ke nawa ama-players azoshiya and uMabasa-ke was one of them. So ama-Kaizer Chiefs fans are saying that maybe uBobby Motaung should move to sign the player because nayo-ke Orlando Pirates isivezile ukuthi-ke lo mdlali ngeke-ke sam-extenda-ke contract yakhe uma-ke iphela ngoJune, which means the player will become a free agent. So abantu-ke laphayana kuma-social media bathi-ke maybe-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna-ke i-striker esizoscora ama-goals next season. They should try to sign uMabasa because he is a proven goal scorer. And also-ke ngoba sekuvelile-ke nokuthi-ke i-Pirates ayisamdingi, uWadu is happy with uMakgopa and Botuma. So this could present a big opportunity for i-Kaizer Chiefs to get him for free. Manje-ke ama-strikers abanawo-ke laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs nguye-ke uSilva, baphinde babe naye-ke u-Ighodaro, who has played a few number of games this season because of an injury. They also have uDuba-ke naye-ke uMayo, who are not out and out of strikers, yabo badlala as a false 9. And also banaye-ke uTashreeq Morris esimaziyo-ke ukuthi-ke has only played like 2 games the whole season. So naye-ke is expected ukuthi uzohamba-ke mekuphela yona-ke contract yakhe ngoJune. So-ke ama-fans athi-ke maybe-ke iklabhu ayibheke-ke khona-ke laphana ukuthi eHofaso Mabasa maybe-ke angakwazi-ke ukuthi abaskorele ama-goals in the upcoming season.